Recently, we could have been hearing a new term from the Employees Provident Fund Organization, EPFO, which is higher pension. So what really is the new higher pension scheme, which is all set with its online processes, and EPFO has activated its online portal too. But before seeking to the scheme, we should know what really is this so-called higher pension. Let us see. The Employees Provident Fund Organization, EPFO, has issued guidelines for a section of its older members to opt for a higher pension option under the Employees Pension Scheme. The EPFO's proposals came on Monday, 12 days before the expiry of the 4-month period granted to employees by the Supreme Court in its November 4, 2022 judgment upholding the Employees Pension Amendment Scheme 2014. According to current pension structure, the Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1952 had no provision for a pension scheme. EPFO's EPS came into existence in 1995. The pension fund consists of an investment of 8.33% of the employee's share in the PF corpus, the entire amount deposited by the depositors in a particular scheme. Employees and employers contribute 12% each of their basic salary, dearness allowance and retaining allowance to the EPF. The entire share of employees goes to the said EPF. Out of the employer's contribution of 12%, 3.67% is split into EPF and 8.33% into EPS. The government contributes 1.16% towards pension to each employee. EPS pension is paid to employees who have completed at least 10 years of service and retire at the age of 58. If the member leaves work between the ages of 50 and 57, they will receive an earlier, lower pension. Under the pre-amendment scheme, the pensionable salary was calculated by taking the average of the salary earned during the 12 months preceding the withdrawal from membership in the pension fund. The 2014 amendments raised this to an average of 60 months. So we could just focus on these 5 good reasons to apply for the new higher pension scheme. Obviously, it is a chance to get a higher pension. Second one is you could ensure monthly pension income. For post-retirement life, no one would like to go through the hassles of managing money. Hence, the EPFO's higher pension option is a good opportunity that you should consider. The third factor, the higher pension option is beneficial to those who want a higher monthly pension and don't want a huge lump sum amount on retirement. Your EPF corpus may decrease, so what? The fourth thing, no risk to your funds under EPS. Truly welfare measure, pension continues even after death. How does this mean for EPFO and EPS members? For EPFO, this would result in a stream of pension payouts that would be steeper than the Rs 15,000 cap linked to the actual basic pay. The pension scheme does not include defined benefits, but it includes defined contributions which experts said could strain EPFO's finances in the future. For example, if an employee works for 10 years and pays pension contributions, after retiring at the age of 58, the benefit will be available till death. 10 years will be much more than the allotted period. It can also be received beyond the death of the member, subject to the provision of pension to dependent family members. For members and employers, this essentially means a higher annual salary after retirement. Up to September 2014, the election for higher pension involves transfer of funds from the Provident Fund to the pension fund. Awaiting the details of this process. This will provide, the higher pension scheme will provide better social security coverage to workers after retirement in times of high inflation and when actual salary rises beyond the pensionable salary threshold of Rs 15,000. Only a small percentage of EPFO members had earlier paid contribution based on actual salary. More employees are expected to opt for this higher pension plan. So, in my closing point, the higher pension option may be beneficial for some subscribers and may not be for others. Therefore, you should assess your individual situation before deciding whether to go for the higher pension option or not. I am Shreya signing off. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. If you want to send us any news or feedback, please send it us on kaumudiglobal@gmail.com.